Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video we are going to see how to increase or improve your laptop battery life. So let's start with few points you can check. First, remove or disconnect all type of external devices, for example your flash drive or your SD card or your external hard drive. So remove all kind of external devices from your system when not in use. The next point will be disable or turn off your Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi when you are not using them. And you can also reduce your screen brightness. This will help you in reducing your power consumption. Now move on to the next step. You can try disable all the background applications. So to disable your background application in Windows 11, you have to just right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option Task Manager. So this is the task manager, and in this process tab you can see these are the applications and services which are currently running, and you can also monitor which application is consuming how much of your CPU or your memory or your disk data. And if there is any application which is consuming so much of your CPU percentage, you can close that application from here. Just right click on the application and then click on end task. Okay, so this is how you can close any application from task manager. Now on the left side you will see this option startup apps. This will show you all the startup applications. So you have to disable all the startup applications. Like if this application is enabled, you just have to right click on it and then select disable. So disable all the startup applications. Now move on to the next step, adjust power settings. So click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. After that, scroll down and you will see this option here, power and battery. Click on it. Now in this power mode you have to select balance. Okay, like this, select balanced, and you can also enable this energy saver mode. So this will reduce power consumption and increase battery life by limiting some background activities. So you can enable this option as well, and you can set the battery level. So you can use 20%. So if your battery level will be 20%, this will automatically start the energy saver mode. And you can enable this option as well. So this will automatically lower screen brightness when you are using energy saver mode. So you can enable this option as well. So these are the few steps you can apply to increase your laptop battery life. This is all for the video. Thank you.